Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jasper Chase here. Oh, and Skull Rider's gonna let me go. Thank you, sir. We got a special ride for you guys. This is going to be awesome. Roll call. We've got Oi Dirk up front. Then we've got GoPro Chicken, who does not have a GoPro Chicken helmet anymore. Moto Twitch. Thankfully, he actually showed up for this ride. And then behind me, Skull Rider, ladies and gentlemen, and TK. Oh shit, I gotta go. Epic fail, ladies and gentlemen, epic fail. So, as I said, we've got Oi Dirk, Moto Twitch, GoPro Chicken without the GoPro helmet, Skull Riders, and TK is behind me. Man, I'll tell you what, Oi Dirk's in front of me, and I gotta tell you, I gotta give a huge shout out to him. He was gracious enough, let me back up. For those of you who are subscribed to me and not to him, which is a travesty because you should be subscribed to him, he just bought the 2015 R1. Well, this morning, before we left, he actually let me drive his brand new 2015 R1, which was just a fantastic experience. I was super shocked at how amazing that bike is. So, kudos to you, brother. This message has been brought to you by the letter O for Oi Dirk. Please check out his channel. Should I bump him? Oh, that ain't the first time you've gotten it in the back. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ride. We've got a ton of motorcycles, as you see right here. We got a 303-mile trip today, man. This is gonna be legendary, absolutely legendary. We're riding up through Atlanta, and then we're gonna hit 400, stop at Lake Lanier, and after Lake Lanier, straight to Blood Mountain. Carve it up a little bit, then ride home. We're gonna stop at the Varsity. Shout out to Shoney's. We've been eating there all weekend. There's Moto Twitch. What's up, Moto Twitch? How you doing? You ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot! 1, 2, 3, shoot! I won! 1, 2, 3, shoot! 1, 2, 3, shoot! I got it! You ready? All right, let's go! 2. Oh. Yeah!
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate.